When it comes to my job, my work takes me everywhere. That's why I use the Chewy CoreBook. It's a 2-in-1 Intel tablet that has the power of a regular PC, but it's slim and easy to transport. I can type, write, or draw wherever I go. The 13-inch touchscreen offers an incredible clear picture for work and play. It not only stores everything I need, but allows me to connect seamlessly to my other devices. And it runs on the fastest Intel Core processor, so I can get whatever I want, whenever I want. Fingerprint recognition keeps my information safe with the touch of a single button. And best of all, with an easy quick charge, I'm always ready to go. The Chewy CoreBook, limitless possibilities.
Butterfly VPN. Do you hate this? 3 easy steps to break the boundary on the internet. Step 1. Find a place that has Wi-Fi access. Your hotel room, a famous coffee shop, your VidBlog shooting set, your new office, or your mother-in-law's kitchen. Step 2. Open your favorite website, like YouTube, Youku, if you know what I'm talking about. Step 3. Have your Butterfly VPN ready and connected. Now, connect to Butterfly filtered Wi-Fi and blow your favorite website thrived for life. How beautiful! Butterfly VPN is the smallest and lightest VPN device in the market, especially designed for travelers. What an ordinary flash drive look it has. Unlike VPN apps that are easily to be removed by the App Store or refusing you mysteriously during certain days. Shit. Butterfly VPN won't be censored unless it's physically unplugged. What is the best? After setting up, people can share your unblocked Wi-Fi in a second, your friends and colleagues. Online freedom for all. In addition, Butterfly VPN automatically picks the location for the best internet speed for you. No country list TBD. You also have the freedom to choose securing your data and blocking AD pop-ups. Butterfly VPN is the smallest and lightest VPN device in the market.
Introducing Amabrush, a revolutionary new toothbrush that brushes your teeth automatically in just 10 seconds. Amabrush was designed to make your teeth brushing experience more efficient. It's super easy to handle. The magnetic connection between the mouth and handpiece allow you to easily swap mouthpieces between different family members. The toothpaste foam is delivered through the mouthpiece directly to your teeth. Afterwards, the mouthpiece vibrates in order to oscillate the bristles. You can save up to 100 days of your life just by using Amabrush. Antibacterial silicone kills 99.99% of bacteria. It uses the recommended toothbrushing method by dentists. The low-voltage technology saves a lot of energy each time you brush your teeth. It uses the perfect amount of toothpaste automatically. And Amabrush is waterproof and works with braces and dental prosthesis. With Amabrush, even those nights when you're exhausted from work, it'll be easier than ever to brush quickly so you can continue to take care of your teeth. Amabrush, the world's first automatic toothbrush.
From the guys who brought you the 7 messenger and shift pack comes our latest creation. Introducing the Air Sling. We've taken the best of our bigger bags and fit them in a compact form, perfect for everyday use. We designed the Air Sling to be able to carry all of your essentials in a sleek and adaptable way. Keep your phone charged with the USB port. Sorry, dude, it's mine. The Air Sling is cut-proof and extremely hard-wearing. That's because it's made out of the most cut-resistant fabric in the world. Crafted out of the highest quality materials, the strap is so strong it can even tow a car. Keep your hands free when exploring the city. Compatible with your favorite accessories like Quad Lock, so you can quickly move into your daily commute. Magnetic clips are smooth and quick. Stay active without having to carry a massive backpack. Save time and hassles when on the move. And keep your valuables safe. Perfect for traveling. Say goodbye to bulky pockets and clutter. It's all right there. It's water resistant, stain proof, and exceptionally durable. Light, sleek, and totally essential. Air Sling by Alpaca.